In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use my avatar in Leonardo AI Desktop. If you want Leonardo AI to generate images that actually resemble your face or avatar, the key tool you'll be using is the Image Guidance Suite, especially the character reference feature. This helps Leonardo keep your facial identity more consistent, even when you change the style, clothing, pose, or background. First, open the Leonardo AI app on your desktop and head into the image generation area. Once you're there, click on Image to start working with image-based guidance options. Next, click the image icon with the plus symbol. This is where you can add a reference image that Leonardo will use while generating your results. After that, choose Image Reference so the platform knows you want to guide the output with an existing image. Now click on your uploads and upload the photo you want to use. This should be a clear image of your face or avatar, since better source images usually lead to more accurate and recognizable results. Once your image is added, type in your prompt. Be specific here. Describe what you want your avatar to be doing, wearing, and what kind of setting or style you want. The more detail you provide, the easier it is for Leonardo to combine your identity with the creative direction you have in mind. After that, choose a model. Different models can produce different looks, so if your first result isn't quite right, trying another model can make a big difference. Then choose your image dimensions. This controls the shape of the final image, so pick the format that best matches your goal, whether that's portrait, square, or something wider. Next, select the number of generations. Creating multiple versions at once gives you more options to compare, which is helpful when you want the best likeness. Finally, click Generate. Leonardo will create your images using your uploaded reference and prompt. When the results appear, choose the version you like best and download it.